Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and also like and share the video with your friends. They might find it useful. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. So without wasting any time, we are moving into the video. So we are going to talk about first year regular and supply exam results which were conducted by Jntuh University recently. The correction for the exams was carried out in blended mode, meaning in both online and offline mode. So most of the correction was done in online mode only. The correction is, the correction was done in online mode more, where the faculty were given the access and they were correcting your papers sitting at home. So almost the correction is done and the correction is 90% completed, and as there is no CBT exam for our 22 regulation students, so the results will be announced as soon as the marks entering process is completed. So right now the 90% correction is done and then the mark entering process will start. That will take a couple of days and then results will be announced. So as far as our information or the information we have, the results will be released in the second week of October. If I would have to guess any day, like the exact day, I would say it will be something like the second Saturday of October month, meaning somewhere around 11, 12, 13, that the second Saturday. The corrections were done really good and the pass percentage is expected to be little high as compared to last year, because last year the pass percentage were really low, around 35 or 33%, but this time it is going to be more, and meaning the more students are going to get passed. University is in no mood to delay results any further. We have seen a lot of delays. Sometimes the results delay in the Jntuh University, but this time it's not going to happen. And the supply results are also expected to release the same day as the regular. So whenever the regular results will release, and most possibly the supply results will also release on the same day. So this is the update for the first year, guys. So I cannot tell this on Insta or somewhere on the Twitter, so that will create a chaos. So I just made a video for that. And if you have any doubts, you can comment below and I'll be more than happy in assisting you. So if you want Jntuh related updates, please follow us on Insta, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp. We are everywhere. The links are given in description. Please do like, share the video and also subscribe to our channel for more Jntuh related updates. I will see you in the next video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.